All right, today take a look at the 36,800 milliamp hour power bank. I've played with a lot of power banks. That is the biggest one I've seen to date. Okay, so we do got a little pouch. We got a tether. It's actually nice thick material on here. It's kind of cool. We got the power bank. And this one actually has a solar panel on the top, so you can actually charge this thing with the sun. That's pretty awesome. It also has an antenna. Wow, fairly long antenna. And the reason it has that is because this also has an FM tuner. Look at that. It's kind of cool. It's even got its own little kickstand. We got our power button on the side. Press it once to turn it on, and then if we press it for 3 seconds, it turns that flashlight on. Look at all that. That is an incredible amount of utility. In the bottom here, we got our USB port, so we can charge from there. Oh, we got USB-A and USB-C. We also have these two plugs. We have USB-C and we have our Apple plugs. I do like that they're just built in like that, so I don't have to worry about losing them. As long as I got this, I got plugs for it. Then we got our tethering point, so we can put that tether on there and then just put it right on our backpack. And we got our power button. I assume that is for the radio.
Power on. Power off.
That is cool. So it doesn't tell you what channel it's on. You just scroll up and down until you find the channel that you like. But even still, that is just, there's an incredible amount of functionality out of this little power bank. This is way more than just a power bank. And here, we got our charging cable. So this is USB-A to USB-C. And if I quickly press the power button, we can see that it actually comes fully charged. So that's awesome. So let's see if I plug my phone in. We are charging. So that's awesome. This is an incredible power bank. There's so much utility here. If I was going to be doing anything outdoors, this is definitely the power bank that I'd be taking with me. That is awesome.